Hey guys, Dan Scheidegger here, Kriete Truck Center, Madison, back with another 2025 all-new VNL 860. This truck is equipped with Volvo's iTorque powertrain, D13 engine, 455 horse, 1850 torque, 13 speed, I-shift overdrive transmission. This truck has a 224-inch wheelbase, 16-inch air slide fifth wheel with air release. It is a double bunk, very comfortable, nice X4 seats. This truck has a bunk heater, Volvo's parking cooler, inverter. If you want more information, feel free to visit our website or give me a call at 262-888-0653.